What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be unboxing the RKX Diverter valve. This is for the 1.8T for the Mark IV Golf, Jetta, I think Passat as well. This is for the 2.7 Audi bi-turbo, I think you can use that for as well. This comes in this packaging right here. It's super basic. It has a contact support here. I actually decided to buy this because it was a really good deal on Amazon, and it was 45 bucks. No tax, and it is like $100 and something cheaper than getting a Forge 007, Forge 008, the R1 valve from APR. So I'm going to give this a shot. So this is going to be an unboxing and a review of the RKX Diverter valve. So it comes with your basic instruction manual. We got 2 inner piston seals. There's the instruction manual, I think. Shows the springs. So, see the red spring does 6 to 22 psi, the blue spring does 22 to 30 psi, and then the yellow spring is for a big turbo kit. So it comes with RKX sticker, which is cool. Then we have here the spring set and also the hose clamps. And then here's what we've been all waiting for here, is the RKX Diverter valve. Alright, so I forgot to show you guys, the tube did come with it. It was just stuck in here. So here's the diverter valve. Just clean, nothing too fancy. So I'm going to need to put that red spring in, that 6 to 22 psi, because I'm stock right now. It holds boost really well. I enjoy it, honestly. It's clean, it's got a nice hiss sound to it. Alright guys, for 45 bucks, this RKX diverter valve is definitely worth the money, and it holds boost a lot harder than the stock diverter valve. Alright guys, I put that diverter valve link into the description so you can buy it there on Amazon. Like I said, definitely worth the money, 5 stars on it. Hope you guys have a good rest of your day.